Within a bucket, click to upload an item like we did before. Click Upload. Click Add Files. Select a file from your computer. Before we upload the file, scroll down and find Properties. Click to expand it. The first part is on storage classes. Now, this listed here are the storage classes available. Note that by default, the object is getting uploaded into the standard storage class. This class is ideal for frequently accessed data. Other classes listed include Intelligent Tiering, which is suitable for data with changing or unknown access patterns. Standard IA or Standard Infrequent Access, which is suitable for infrequently accessed data. Ones on IA, suitable for recreatable infrequently accessed data. Please take a few minutes to review the rest of the storage classes, what they are designed for, minimum storage duration, availability zones they span, and retrieval fees. The costs for these classes are highest at the top, S3 standard, and lowest at the bottom. Making smart choices here means saving money without losing access when you need it. Next up, we'll learn how to set S3 lifecycle policies to automatically move objects between these classes and save costs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.